Hello, students. Today we are going to study or we are going to enjoy the poem Trees. And this poem is written by Shirley Bauer. Now, we all know about trees. Trees are our best friends and they are also very friendly to children. They are very useful to us and they give us many things which we enjoy. So, first of all, we will read the poem. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. You can repeat with me. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind and hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to wreck this fall." So, we will start with the pictures and we will read the poem again. First picture is about a bird is sitting on a tree. Trees are for birds, like trees are for birds. The birds, they make their shelter, they make tree houses, and the children, they also make tree houses and they enjoy sitting on the tree houses. Trees are to make tree houses in. Some people, they make tree houses on trees and they enjoy living there. Trees are to swing swings on. Now what trees? They are also used to swing. Jhulna. We also use trees to swing. We make it our swing. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Now, trees are also helpful when the wind blows, then they also give us fresh air. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Hide and seek is a game. छुपम छुपाई लुका छिपी भी कह सकते हैं आप इसे. So the children, they enjoy to play hide and seek behind a tree. Trees are to have tea parties under, and the people, they enjoy doing their tea parties under a tree. Trees are for kites to get caught in, and sometimes the kites, they caught in the tree. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees, they also give us shade. They also give us shade, chaya. Summer season mein what they do? They give us shade. Trees are to make no shade in winter. And when we don't want shade, we want the warmthness, the heat of sun. So in winter they also give us heat. They also give us no shade. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. And as you all know, the trees, they give us fruits. Okay. So we can have many type of fruits from the trees. Trees are to chop down and call timber. And as we all know, our houses, our windows, doors, they all are made up of trees. We should not cut trees, but we use them as timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Now our mother, they also say, like trees को देखकर जो mothers हैं वो कहती हैं, now like see, this is a beautiful scene, you can make this picture. So what they want to say, like the trees, they are beautiful also, they give soothingness, they give freshness to the air, they give us oxygen. So the beauty of the atmosphere, like the beauty of the environment, they also it also increases from the trees. Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to wreck this fall." Now father is also saying that we can collect many kind of wrecked trees. We can gather the leaves, the rough leaves in the autumn season. Thank you.